So good morning everyone. Today we will be practicing the indoor task of GTO, and the first task in this series will be group discussion. So I will be giving you two topics and you need to select one out of these two topics. The topics are, as we all know, artificial intelligence, a new thing for human being and quite useful. So the topic for discussion is what you feel is the biggest advantage of artificial intelligence. Is it reduction of human error? Is it unbiased decision? Or is it a better surveillance on the work? So what do you feel is the biggest advantage of artificial intelligence? My second topic is what you would have seen in West Bengal now in medical college. So this is a regular act happening nowadays. Last time when it happened in 2010 in Delhi, it was a national news. But nowadays every second day there is a national news like this. So what you feel can be the most adequate solution for women safety in nation like India? Should we provide better infrastructure for women's safety, especially at public places? Second is, we must go for a speedy decision or justice and the hardest punishment for the culprits? Or is it compulsory self-defense classes for girl child at school age? I'll be giving you 2 minutes of time to select one topic out of these two. Okay, you would like to go with second topic, that is women's safety in India. Yes, sir. What can be the most, I will repeat topic once again for you. What you feel can be the most adequate step Indian government can take for women's safety? Is it better infrastructure to provide women's safety, especially at public places? Is it speedy justice and hardest punishment to the culprits? Or is it the compulsory self-defense classes to every girl child at school age? I'll be giving you 10 minutes for going on a group discussion and look for a conclusion. Your time starts now.
So gentlemen, referring closely to the second point, giving speedy
and providing them education of martial arts
Priority should be given to these kind of cases in order
Okay, stop your discussion now. So we have already gone for one group discussion. I will be giving you one more opportunity. So, but I will change the topic now. Since online education is a very common thing nowadays, and especially you as a student might be having a better experience of this. This is only for you people only. Now the point of discussion is, what do you feel is the biggest advantage of online education for a student? Is it cost effectiveness? Is it the preferable teacher by a student? Or is it selection of preferable time slot for a student? My topic is clear to everyone? Yes, sir. I'll be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion, and your time starts now.
According to me, is the cost effectiveness. The online education as a student, if you belong to a poor family, to get education in a very certain manner and to be able to represent the country in various sectors. I agree with the chairman, and I want to add one more point. That it is as well as free, but it is also a good quality of education provided on them. As there are many schools in the are not so much good quality. I agree with
and such a high fees cannot be afforded by the lower class people. So the online education plays a very important role, as the coaching can cost up to 4,000 to 5,000. So many people online education
12 से पहले ख़त्म कर देंगे।
क्लास लगाएंगे ना।
As we have seen, many of the students do preferable studies in night, and many others do studies in the morning. So the online education has made it beneficial to study them according to the
and increase their knowledge because the time slot is preferable according to their strength and
gentlemen, the government of India cannot to establish infrastructure for the schooling facilities, as the students would be able to get the online education from their home also, and the government of India can use all of these purposes for the
provide the hard copy materials which all increases the cost of the course.
I agree with the first point which can be considered as that the children of the poor family are being able to get educations and they are being able to present. Yes, I am summing up the point in the cost effectiveness that the students of poor families are also being able to get education. Children are being able to get education with the preferable time slot, which has been a beneficial thing of the.
Okay, stop your discussion now.